Hi everyone, my name is Fathi Muthia, as a presenter. I'm from Department of Informatics Engineering, Muhammadiyah University of Magelang, Indonesia. And this is our team. There is Mr. Agus and Mrs. Pristi Sukmasetya. In this opportunity, I will present this project with the title UI/UX Design for the Plan Sheet Cells and Tracking System using the Design Thinking Method. First thing first, I will explain about background, the problem, method, research result, and conclusion. The first, background, the problem. The rapid development of information technology has become a primary necessity in this era. The use of smartphones, especially with Android operating system, has become inseparable from the daily lives of modern society. Smartphones play a key role in daily activities, particularly in online shopping process. Sales applications such as those used in friendship e-commerce, recent product catalogs to facilitate buyers in their selection. Moreover, these applications also facilitate sales data processing, serving as valuable tools in the business world. This forensics has application access compared to other e-commerce apps with its tracking feature. Customer can monitor the journey of the orders, allocating and cities during the waiting period. We also provide image of the forensics condition before shipping, facilitating easy comparison for customers. The tracking feature addresses previous concern about the freshness and live condition of the forensics, instilling confidence in customers regarding the condition given arrival. And the second is method. The design of the Juragan Kebun application utilizes the design thinking method to provide effective solution to user issues. This process involves crucial steps such as empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test, ensuring that every aspect of the application is designed to understand and meet the user's needs comprehensively. The stage of method, the number one is empathize. In the empathize stage, we explore user needs through interviews with clients and customers, especially the special delivery challenge exceeding 5 days. Interviews were conducted with 5 respondents, particularly those in areas outside Magelang. The results indicate user desire for ease in purchasing and obtaining high-quality appliances. There are some interview questions related to the Juragan Kebun application. The second is define. The define stage is a process of identifying the core issues that can be formulated from previous data. Based on the data, there were 5 respondents in the age range of 20 until 50 years old who were accustomed to using smartphones. The research results indicate that users are dissatisfied with the quality when seats because the seats spend too much time in the expedition. Therefore, the solution taken is to design a mobile application model that aligns with the needs and preference of the target users. In this stage, the obtained data will be processed to identify the issues to be addressed and provide appropriate solution. The following are the steps in the defense stage. The first is user persona. The first stage involves creating a persona based on the knowledge gathered during the synthesis process. The information needed for crafting a persona includes user identify, user bio, goals, and frustration or pain points. Developing user personas in this stage can facilitate a better understanding of the behavior and needs of the target users. Whereas two user persona, the first is Gibran Mahatma as Plainseed Farmers. His tools is aimed at a sales platform with the ability to track the delivery of my plans to customers. The second, there is Abhisana Mahari as government employee. His goal is I want my planes to remain in good quality even if they are shipped from outside the city. B. Prometry. Prometry is a method to transform problems into questions. Data from empathized stage interviews can be processed into prometry questions, allowing for the development of solutions in response to the identified issues. And this is the table of prometry. The third is ideate. The ideate stage is process of evaluating data and generating a solution based on the data obtained in the previous stage. In this stage, brainstorming is conducted to create a list of features, user flow, and mood boards. Here is the list of a feature. B. User flows. C. There is mood board. The prototype. The prototype phase involves the implementation of ideas obtained from previous stage. In this phase, researchers engage in prototyping by creating both low fidelity and high fidelity wireframes. Low fidelity wireframes represent a design with relatively low accuracy, while high fidelity wireframes constitute a design with high precision and greater complexity. The following outlines the process of designing the application interface. There is the prototype, the low fidelity. This is the high fidelity. If you don't have account, we should register and just enter the email and password and there is username. And after that, you can enter your username and password for login. And this is low fidelity before I make the high fidelity. And this is high fidelity. After from login page, we can find the home page. On this home page, there is a menu for plain fertilizers and plain seeds. And there is notification feature. And this is feature we can get notification about our orders. And there is profile. And there is profile feature. In this feature, there is account owner's name, email, and phone number. Below there is a list of order and transaction history. If you click on it, the My Orders page will be appear. Here we can see that there is a list of orders. And this is the low fidelity. This after high fidelity. According to the homepage, there are two menus for plant seeds and for plant seeds and plant fertilizer. And this is what result looks like. This page shows when we choose a plant seed, for example, an avocado seed. Here there is a description, price, and rating. If we click Buy Now, then this page will appear here. There is data on the number of orders, destination address, payment, and payment details. Then we can decide to complete the purchase. And this is the low fidelity. After that, we get the proof that we have payment was successful and are immediately directed to the tracking page. On this tracking page, we get a photo of the order before it ships and a notification of where our order is located. And this is what the results look like after going through several stages of the design thinking method. The last is testing. The final stage involves testing potential user using usability testing technique. During usability testing, only 3 until 5 participants resembling or closely matching the target user profile are involved. In this stage, the MES application is utilized to gather information from users. The prototype is tested during this phase. These tests, including variables like logging into the account, there is in test 1, a quality filter on the home page in test 2, and the tracking process in test 3. The success of the application is measured using time as a parameter. And this is the time indicator. The conclusion, the main goals of the mobile application design analysis for plant seed buyers is to provide the best quality plant seed to users. Through the design thinking approach, researchers successfully found solutions to the problem faced by users. Their solutions were then implemented in the development of the Juragan Kebun application, integrating features such as tracking, rate notifications, and others. It is expected that the Juragan Kebun application can offer an optimal user experience and user interface. The result of usability testing on the prototype design application, conducted with the participation of 5 respondents, demonstrates success in the effectiveness and efficiency of completing the assigned task. This positive response is reflected in task satisfaction scores reaching 5.4.5 out of a scale of 5, given by the 5 respondents toward the prototype of the Juragan Kebun application. Therefore, this application design has the potential to be an innovative solution in supporting street vendors to increase their income during ongoing social restriction. And the result of the user testing. Okay, this is what I can explain based on this. I apologize if there are any shortcomings. Thank you for time and attention. Feedback and suggestion will be very useful for this development of the research. Thank you.